Whew. Where was I? And that's... How you doing? What's happening? I never say what's happening normally, so let's start again. Let's start again. I'm recently... Whoa. Guess what I forgot to do twice? Press record. Take 3. Myers-Briggs makes Brian? What's his name? What is his name? I like making a fool of myself, apparently. That'd be a text. Spot on. No, I'm alright, thanks. Well, I can honestly say that I'm actually quite good. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, these. 2 fucking, like, vampire spots. Anyway, hi. Why do I always do that stupid? You're not in the fucking news. News in. Just in. Ian can't vlog anymore. That's what it means. It's pretty vague. I mean... and communicate with them... emails. And stop fucking texting me, Steve. I don't even know what the topic is. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Hi. Oh, my hair. I only got this cut the other week. Jesus. Hi, Vita. What? I don't know. I'll cry if you want me to cry.